Welcome to Mark Wallace Presents Embarrassingly Simple SEO, where we show you how to get your site SEO optimized. In this video titled SEO Part 2, we will take you through the steps of choosing a proper SEO domain name, how to get it, and how to begin hosting your website. We begin with domain name identification, because before putting your website online, you should select a domain name that fits your overall strategy. Each domain name is unique to every site on the internet, so you will want to make sure that the name that you choose is not already taken by someone else. So what domain names work well, and how do you choose one? Theoretically, domain names should characterize the general idea of your site. So if you sell sporting goods, then relate it to that. Or if you are marketing a unique niche like toenail fungus, try and insert what the site is within the name. You want your name to be catchy, memorable, and short. This is so when people try and recommend it to their friends, they aren't struggling to tell them, or if they're reading it online, they can understand what your site is about immediately. If possible, you should try to SEO optimize your domain name. This could be a huge factor in how your site is found, because when someone searches for Buenos Aires delivery, and you have the domain buenosairesdelivery.com, your site has a better chance of ranking first in the natural rankings. To get some ideas, use the Google keyword tool and input a few words and see what related ideas people are searching for. Get a little creative and test out the most commonly searched words to see if any domain names you like are free to purchase. We will go over how to check and see if a domain is available in the following steps. Next, we want to cover how to choose the best domain registrar. When you register your domain, you pay for a service that allows you to register and own your domain name. Here are the main criteria you should pay attention to. Price. A price varies significantly depending on the domain you are searching for, so be sure to look into multiple sources. Reliability. Sometimes owners of registrars appropriate popular domain names, so it is best to do your homework and review the comments section. Payment. Make sure that it supports a trusted financial source for you to make a payment. Dashboard usability. You want it to be user-friendly, just in case you have to update it or make changes to the site later. Conditions. Make sure that the registrar doesn't have any fine print conditions you weren't aware of. Sometimes this can lead to extra fees and a bad experience. Next, we can mass check the domain availability through one of the registrars. The best way to do this is to identify your target keywords and create a list of some of the ones you think you would like as a domain name. Simply input the keywords you have into the bulk registration and it will identify which ones are available for purchase. So we will take the manuals example and search for 4 keywords: sexual health, sexual-health, teen sexual health, adult-sexual-health, and check the domain availability. It lists the domains that are available for sale and the ones that are, so that we can go through and select the ones we want and register it. After we register our domain name, it is time to choose a web host. Basically, this is renting a space to store the files of your site for a period of time. It usually starts from a month term. Hosting amounts depend on your needs. They can be free with minimum service, or for more serious projects, a fee relevant to what you get in terms of support, service, and efficiency. There are 4 general factors to consider: space capacity, support technologies, supported number of sites, and traffic limitations. And when considering hosting for SEO promotion, look at the website access rate, or the time it takes a site to download. The longer it takes, the less users will like it. Website access stability means that your site's availability needs to be perfect so that users and search engines like it. Finally, your .ht access support, which is a file stored in the root directory of the site. The search engines perform redirections from each address to transform dynamic links on your site into SEO-friendly ones. So what did we learn here today? We learned that choosing a good domain name is SEO-friendly while still being memorable. We learned how to come up with a good SEO-optimized domain name. And we learned the basics of what it takes to get your site web hosted. In the next video titled Website on WordPress, Step by Step, we will show you how to build your own website easily using the WordPress software. Thanks for watching Mark Wallace Presents Embarrassingly Simple SEO. We hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.